Hello everyone, welcome to my SoundSoReal review. Let's talk about a breakthrough that gives you creative control over voices like never before. It's called SoundSoReal. So, what is SoundSoReal? Imagine crafting your own digital voice identity, cinematic, playful, or professional, without needing expensive studios or actors. This AI tool lets you design voices that match your brand, projects, or characters while giving you total creative control. It's where technology meets storytelling power. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description is my affiliate link, and if you purchase through my link, you will receive some exclusive bonuses from me, which you can see on the screen. Now watch the complete official demo video of SoundSoReal and understand how it works.
As you can see on the left side, we have 5 tabs which represents the different functions of the new AI voices. The most impactful addition is our new custom voice designer. With this feature, you can generate virtually any voice type simply by inputting descriptive characteristics. In order to do that, just go to the right side of the screen and you will see here Create or Design a Voice button. So click on that button and a new window will appear. So you do have here the option to create a new voice by voice design, or you also have the option to clone your voice using the 2.5 model or version 2 model. These are the versions of the voice cloning we had on Synthesis through the years. Okay, so to create a new voice using a voice design, click on this option, and then you will be asked to enter a prompt. So you have to describe what the voice should sound like. So I have here a sample prompt. Okay. And then for the text to preview, you need to enter a sentence for your generated voice to say. Remember, punctuation is important. Also, the sentence must be 100 characters or more, not less. Okay, so I have here a sample text. Now, let's click on Generate Sample. Okay, now let's play the voice sample.
Hey, I'm Chris, and I help businesses grow through smart SEO, custom web design, and high-performing digital ads. If you're ready to get found online and turn clicks into customers, let's chat.
Okay, perfect. Now, you will have to enter a voice name and enter a voice description as well. So for this example, I would just like to enter here male professional as the voice name. And for the description, you can enter any. So for this one, it's friendly, confident, and professional male voice. Now, we're ready to save the voice. Okay, so you will be directed to the text-to-speech tab after you have created a voice. But let's go back to voices and let's try creating a voice using the instant voice clone. Again, you have the option to choose between 2 models. It's just the model that we have with Synthesis through the years. Okay, so you can clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. Now let's try this version 2.5 model and enter a voice name for your cloned voice. So let's say my custom voice. And then you have to choose the language. So for this one, I am choosing English American and upload your audio. Okay, so I have here my voice recording. It should be in MP3 or WAV format, and click on Accept Terms and then Create Voice. Okay, so again, you'll be directed to the text-to-speech tab, but let's go back to voices. And here under My Voices, you will see all the voice that you have created, whether using voice design or using voice cloning. So here, the most recent voices that I have created, you will see here the male professional using voice design and my custom voice using the voice cloning function. Also, you can mark voices as your favorite by clicking the heart icon on the right. So let's say, for example, I want to mark this as favorite. So just click on the heart icon and it will be marked as your favorite voices. Okay, now let's go to text to speech. Okay, for text to speech, you can create a voiceover by entering your script or your text. And on the right side, you will see the different settings. And the settings differ on the model that you will be using. So we do have here Synthesis version 3, version 2.5, and version 2. So as I have mentioned a while ago, the different versions are the versions that we had on Synthesis through the years. So the version 3 is the most recent or the current version. And this allows you to enter acting instructions for your voice. So it is more personalized according to your liking. We also do have here a creativity slider. So it adds a little bit of creativity to the acting instruction. So you can play around a bit with it and choose the audio that suits to your liking. Well, for version 2, we do have here selection of the voices. Also, language booster. This will be more beneficial if you are using non-English script. So you can choose, let's say, for example, you have a Spanish script. So the language booster boosts fluency, reinforces vocabulary, and adapts to native accents for a more immersive experience. We do also have here a field for emotion. So you can choose from the available options like angry, happy, sad, calm, and fearful. Okay, and you can also adjust the pitch and speed. Now, for Synthesis version 2, this is the most basic version that we had with Synthesis. So you can choose a voice, and then another setting would be for speed. So that's it. So now let's try the version 3, which is the latest version for Synthesis AI voices. So for version 3, I am going to enter here a script. So let's say, for example, I want to create a voiceover using the script, and I want to use my created voice. So click on voice design and click the name of the voice that you have just created. And then for acting instructions, you can enter according to your requirements, according to your needs. So for example, I want it to be upbeat and enthusiastic, but sincere. Imagine you are genuinely excited to share a great opportunity. Avoid sounding too salesy or exaggerated. Keep it warm and inviting. Okay, and for creativity, let's just maintain it to a level 1. Okay, now let's generate speech. Okay, now the voiceover has been generated. Let's play the audio.
Discover your dream home in Brisbane. This stunning 3-bedroom offers modern design, spacious living, and top amenities. Perfect for families or investors. Don't miss out. Schedule a tour today. Call Morgan at 1-800-123-456 now.
Okay, now here on the bottom right part of the dashboard, you will see here the duration of the audio. So for this particular script, it took 16 seconds. Okay, so on the right side, you will see 2 tabs. First is settings and history. So the history tab will display all the audios that you have created per feature. So for example, you are in the text-to-speech tab. All your projects for text-to-speech will be displayed under the history tab. So you can listen to it by clicking the play button. You can also download the voiceover using the download icon on the right. Okay, now let's go to voice changer. So this feature allows you to change the voice of an audio. So the file supported is MP3 and the maximum size is 50 MB. Now let's try to upload an audio file. I have here a sample male voice audio. Let's listen to it.
Listen up, team. We've got a deadline to meet, and we're not slowing down. Let's push through this final stretch with determination and focus. Together, we'll deliver results that speak for themselves. Are you with me?
Okay, now I want to change the voice into this voice named Sweet Lady. You can listen to the sample preview of the voices by clicking the play button on the right side, corresponding the voice that you want to listen to. So for illustration, I want this Sweet Lady's voice, and let's generate the speech.
Listen up, team. We've got a deadline to meet, and we're not slowing down. Let's push through this final stretch with determination and focus. Together, we'll deliver results that speak for themselves. Are you with me?
Okay, great. Now let's go to multi-person. So this feature allows you to create a dialogue between two speakers. So on the right side, you will see the settings tab and the history tab. So under settings, you have a field for acting instructions. You have this speaker number 1 and speaker number 2. So for acting instructions, let's say I want to enter this instructions. And then for speaker number 1, you can choose from several options. You can listen to each voice by clicking the play button on the right. So for illustration, I want to use, let's say, this Venus voice, okay? And for speaker number 2, I want to use Sharon's voice. Now for creativity, let's just maintain it for to level 1. And for the script, I have here a sample script. Okay, this is for speaker number 1, and this is speaker number 2. Okay, now if you have longer dialogue, you just click on Add Dialogue here, and then enter your script. And now let's generate speech. Okay, now the audio has been generated. Let's play it.
Okay, this is the place I was telling you about. Brew and Bloom. Isn't it cute?
Cute. This place looks straight out of a Pinterest board. Is that a swing inside the cafe?
Yup, and the barista wears suspenders. This place is trying so hard to be aesthetic, and I kind of love it.
Okay, perfect. So again, you can go to History tab to listen to the audio again, or download the audio. You can also do it on the bottom part of the screen. Now let's go to dubbing. So this feature allows you to translate an audio into another language. So let's upload a sample audio, which I used in the voice changer feature. And for the language, for detect language, select the original language. And for this particular example, I'm going to select English American. And for the target language, you can choose from the available options. So for this one, I would like to translate it to Spanish. You will see here that this translated script will appear. So you can edit this according to your liking or according to your need. Now let's generate the speech. Okay, now let's listen to the audio.
Escuchad, equipo. Tenemos un plazo que cumplir y no vamos a bajar el ritmo. Superemos esta recta final con determinación y concentración. Juntos, obtendremos resultados que hablarán por sí solos. ¿Me siguen?
Okay, so again, you can go to History tab to see all the projects that you have created under dubbing. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like the new interface of AI voices. Thank you.
I hope you understand how SoundSoReal does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out SoundSoReal at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's review the OTOs, the one-time offers. First, we have already seen the SoundSoReal front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Voice Vault Edition. Second OTO is Clone Factory. Third OTO is AI Calls. Lastly, the fourth is the SoundSoReal Bundle. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. SoundSoReal is more than software. It's your ticket to building authority, scaling faster, and sounding unforgettable. Secure lifetime access now and start creating voices that sell, connect, and elevate your brand instantly.